Japan's second highest volcano erupted on Saturday, leaving hundreds trapped on the mountain for hours and more than 30 feared dead. Located in central Japan, Mount Ontake is the second highest volcano in the country. The 3,067 meters volcano erupted at around noon on Saturday. The eruption was reportedly a phreatic one, caused by groundwater overheated by magma. The water then exploded into steam that pulverizes large amounts of rocks inside the volcano conduit. The rocks erupted together with white plumes of gas and ash, rising approximately 4 kilometers into the sky. Following the eruption, as much as 15 centimeters